Let's quickly understand the OSI model, a fundamental concept in networking that shows how a data travels from one device to another in a network. It has total 7 layers, each with a specific job. We will go from the top layer, which is application layer, to the bottom layer, which is physical layer. So at the top is the application layer. This is what we interact with directly, like when we browse a website using HTTP protocol, transfer files via FTP, or send emails with SMTP. Layer 6 is the presentation layer. It makes sure data is readable by handling encryption, compression, and format conversions. Think of SSL or TLS protocol that secures website. The session layer manages connections. It starts, maintains, and ends communication between two devices, like when a video call stays connected. Layer 4 is the transport layer. It breaks data into smaller pieces. TCP is reliable, like sending a package with tracking. UDP is faster but doesn't confirm delivery. Layer 3 is the network layer. It decides where the data goes. IP gives addresses and ICMP helps with error reporting like a ping command. Layer 2 is the data link layer. Data link layer ensures data moves smoothly over local network. It uses things like MAC addresses and Ethernet frames. Finally, layer 1 is the physical layer. This is the actual hardware. Wires, Wi-Fi signals, fiber optics, where raw data or raw bits turn into electricity or light. When data is sent, it goes from the top to bottom. So when a data is sent from a device, the sequence will be application to presentation to session to transport to the network through the physical layer, and here the actual data will be converted into bits, and the digital signal will be traveled through wireless or wired medium. And when the data is received, it moves back from the physical layer up to the application layer, and we will observe or we will see the actual data through the application layer. And that's the OSI model, 7 layers from the app you use down to the wires that carry your data. Each layer plays a vital role in making communication possible. Oh, another thing. If you want to remember the 7 layers sequentially, you can remember the phrase or a sentence. Please do not throw sausage pizza away. Just remember the first letter of each word, like please, that is the physical layer, D data link, N network, throw, that is for transport, sausage, session, pizza is for presentation, away is for application. Thank you.